The Stranger by Albert Camus, a profound exploration of absurdity and alienation. Albert Camus' iconic novel, The Stranger, has left an indelible mark on the world of literature since its publication in 1942. A philosophical masterpiece, Camus delves into themes of existentialism, absurdity, and alienation through the life of his protagonist, Meursault. With its introspective narrative and thought-provoking ideas, The Stranger continues to captivate readers, prompting them to question the nature of life and their place within it. The plot. The Stranger centers around Meursault, a detached and apathetic Algerian man living in French-colonized Algeria. The story begins with the death of Meursault's mother, and the detached manner in which he responds to her passing sets the tone for the rest of the novel. Meursault's indifference to societal norms and lack of emotional depth isolate him from those around him, leading to a series of events that ultimately culminate in a shocking act of violence on a hot Algerian beach. Themes of absurdity and existentialism. At its core, The Stranger explores the existentialist philosophy that life lacks inherent meaning, and individuals must grapple with the absurdity of existence. Camus uses Meursault's indifference and his inability to conform to social expectations as a means to convey the inherent absurdity of human life. Meursault's detachment from emotions and society itself reflects the human condition, where individuals strive to find meaning but are ultimately confronted with the senselessness and unpredictability of the world. Alienation and society's expectations. Meursault's alienation from society serves as a critique of societal norms and expectations. He becomes an outsider due to his refusal to conform to conventional emotional responses and societal conventions. His inability to feign grief at his mother's funeral and his casual approach to relationships further distance him from the people around him. Through Meursault's experiences, Camus challenges the reader to question the validity and impact of societal expectations on individuals' lives and their freedom to choose their own paths. The symbolism of nature. Throughout the novel, Camus skillfully employs natural elements, particularly the intense Algerian sun, to enhance the themes of the story. The scorching heat becomes a symbol of the indifference and hostility of the universe. Meursault's climactic act of violence on the beach is strongly influenced by the oppressive heat, accentuating the novel's underlying tension and the protagonist's internal turmoil. The significance of Meursault's narrative voice. One of the unique aspects of The Stranger is the first-person narrative from Meursault's perspective. This narrative style allows readers to intimately experience Meursault's internal thoughts and perceptions, heightening the sense of detachment and alienation. Through Meursault's voice, Camus provides a vivid portrayal of an individual who navigates life as an outsider, inviting readers to reflect on their own existence and the extent to which they conform to societal expectations. The Stranger by Albert Camus remains a timeless classic, resonating with readers across generations. Its exploration of existentialism, absurdity, and alienation challenges us to confront the often uncomfortable realities of human existence. Through the enigmatic character of Meursault, Camus forces us to question the meaning of life and the role of society in shaping our identities. The Stranger stands as a profound reminder of the power of literature to illuminate the depths of the human condition and provoke deep philosophical contemplation.